PrepSure is an instrument designed to quickly confirm the correct amount of occlusal reduction for crowns and other prosthetic restorations. The instrument features two sides, one for the mesial and one for the distal, clearly marked with an M and a D for easy identification. PrepSure is available in 3 sizes, which are clearly marked on each instrument. Place the PrepSure tip marked M on the mesial half of the occlusal surface and gently glide the tip along the cuspal slopes of the preparation. Repeat the same motion on the distal side using the tip marked D. When the instrument passes freely through the preparation without resistance, the required occlusal clearance has been achieved. If the instrument gets stuck or requires pressure, additional reduction is needed. PrepSure is available as a complete kit or as refills for each size.